Do you experience a lot of hair fall, or your hair is constantly breaking and you've tried everything and nothing seems to be working? Then this video is for you. This will help you to significantly reduce breakage and hair fall, and also help you to retain all of that hair growing out from your scalp. So let's jump right into it. First of all, if you're new to my channel, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Joy. I post natural hair videos and I also share DIYs on how to use natural home remedy to grow your hair long and healthy. My first ingredient is going to be cloves. Cloves is rich in beta-carotene, which boosts the tissues under your scalp and allows for easy blood flow. It also helps with dandruff, helps with scalp irritation, prevents premature graying, and also controls hair falls. One ingredient is going to be hibiscus powder. Hibiscus powder promotes hair growth and it also conditions the hair. It contains amino acid and also produces a protein called keratin, which makes our hair less prone to breakage while also preventing premature graying. The third ingredient for this DIY is Moringa powder. Moringa powder contains vitamin A, B, C, and E, and also essential amino acid which are helpful to the hair. Vitamin A in this Moringa helps to stimulate the production of sebum, and we know sebum moisturizes the scalp. And the fourth ingredient is fenugreek powder. Fenugreek is rich in iron and protein and has antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties. So by reducing inflammation, fenugreek can boost a healthy scalp, thereby promoting a healthy hair growth. So if you're looking to incorporate protein into your routine, then fenugreek powder is what you need. Last but not the least is rosemary leaves. This has the ability to thicken your hair significantly and also stimulate and improves blood circulation to the scalp while encouraging hair growth. So I'm going to be using extra virgin olive oil. You can also use other oil of your choice that your hair loves and that are good for your hair. So guys, these 5 ingredients combined together, used on a consistent basis, will give you great results. So I'm going to be putting in 1 spoon each of these ingredients. If you're watching this video for the first time, thank you so much for tuning in and joining this wonderful family, guys. I really do appreciate every one of you and I don't take this for granted. And if you're here to subscribe, please do click on that subscribe button on your screen and also give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much, guys. So guys, feel free to swap any of these herb to your own preferred herb of choice, something that works for you. If you're sensitive to any of these herbs that I've used in this video, you can swap it out for something that you feel your hair loves and it's comfortable with your hair. So I'm adding my olive oil. You can add any oil of your choice. If you're a high porosity hair type, you have to use heavy oils that you like or love, and if you're low porosity hair type, then you want to use lightweight oils. So I feel that olive oil helps penetrates better into my hair strand, so I'm kind of drawn to olive oil. You can also add in some essential oils to this, like peppermint, lavender, and rosemary essential oil, but I'm going to be using these herbal oil to make some other DIYs, so I will rather add those essential oils when I'm making those other hair products. So I'm going to let this sit for 48 hours. So normally I'll do the double boiler method to helps to infuse properly into the oils, but in today's tutorial I'm going to be leaving this for 48 hours to infuse properly into the oils, and I'll get back to you guys. So this is after 48 hours. The oil now has all the nutrients that my hair really needs, and you want to go ahead to strain this using a wig cap or a cheesecloth. And guys, you can go ahead and use this to massage your scalp 2 to 3 times weekly, also once a week as a hot oil treatment. So I'm going to be straining this with my wig cap. I'm just using my spoon to kind of stir it up a bit so that everything comes together before I go ahead and strain this. If you have watched up to this point and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly click that subscribe button on your screen, and also the notification bell, so that each time I upload a video you'll be notified, and also give this video a thumbs up. So I tried to strain this directly into my spray bottle, into my applicator bottle, and I wasn't able to remove the wig cap from the bottle, so I had to go ahead and just strain this in a separate bowl. So that was wide enough for me to, strain this. So if you're trying to do what I'm doing right now, it's not going to work unless you have an applicator bottle that is much wider than this. So I tried squeezing out the oils, but I discovered that I was going to be wasting my oils and I might have some spills. So I didn't go ahead with that. So I just transferred it to my bowl and strained the remaining oil from the herbs, and then pour it back into my applicator bottle. So I've been using these oils on my channel separately. I have a video on Moringa oil, I have a video on Clove Oil, Fenugreek Oil, and the rest of it. So this has reduced the amount of shedding and breakage I get on my wash days significantly. So I must say that it really works. You may want to use this consistently in your moisture routine, in your creams. You can add it to your hair butters, to your conditioners, and if you're doing DIY leave-in conditioners, you can also add this. It's a great oil to incorporate into your hair care routine, and you will see the difference in no time. So our DIY oil, herbal oil, is ready and ready to be used. So I'm going to show you guys what my hair looks like since I've been consistently using this herbal oil mix. As you can see, my hair has grown tremendously and also thickened up. I don't have issues with dandruff, flakiness, itchy scalp, and all that. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried this particular herbal mix before and how it worked for you. I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.